your left and give it away for these. And now, ladies and gentlemen, turn your attention to the screens. You are witnessing the live cockpit view of sea, the horizon, the sea, and the vision